Last week we continued our way up north, stopping in Loretto for the night. Then the next morning we had a really funny encounter with Border Patrol. After that, on our drive we saw some amazing, incredible views. Then we got welcomed into Baja, California, where we stopped at our favorite taco shop to get tacos one last time before seeing the sunrise in the morning and heading towards the border. So it's 9:30 in the morning and we're just topping off the truck right now. Well, the gas prices are so much less here than where we're about to pass into California. And at the gas station, the guy who's helping us fill up was eating something in a bag, and Grayson is like, what is that? And I guess it is ice cream in a bag. It sounds super interesting, and he's like, do you guys want to get some? So I think we're going to eat some ice cream here at 9:30 in the morning before we've even had breakfast.
So I just went in there and bought this. The guy was beating it up outside. It's like an ice cream in a bag. This is Oreos, 15 pesos. He had so many flavors, ubu lubu, all these different flavors, and this was the only Oreo one, so I was like, we'll get that. And it has a cookie on there.
Wow.
But we're gonna try it. I gotta go pay for this diesel.
That guy had cheesecake?
Yeah, and there's only one, and he had it. He goes, do you want it? After he beat it all up, I'm like, what's that one? I said, that looks like it's cheesecake. I said, is that the only one? He said, yeah. And he had it all like, all set up and everything, ready to go. And then he goes, you can have it if you want, and I'll take a different one. Super nice guy.
But we want the Oreo.
Well, I wanted it if there was another one, because that's what he was having. But he's like, they're all good, like you should just buy them all. Like he's like trying to be friendly. I was like, yeah, I'm buying one. It's freaking 9:30 in the morning, I'm not supposed to be eating ice cream. But it literally
when in Mexico.
So what the guy did, he just kept doing this, and this.
This is what it looks like. Grayson just like bit a hole in the side instead of opening it to put a spoon in, so.
That's what the guy looked like he was about to do.
Was it good?
Unreal, check it out. Should have gotten another one.
Okay, let me try it. Not really, ooh, not really coming out.
How good is that?
It's a really good flavor, but it's definitely like pretty icy.
It's definitely water cream.
It's like a water cream Oreo flavor. Look at this sandstorm. I don't know if you can even tell how bad it is, but it's literally so sandy. It's 10:01 and we just got in line. Let's see how long it ends up taking. Alright, we're through. It took an hour and 20 minutes basically. USA! We made it back to the States. We are now in California, and our first stop is of course Planet Fitness to get a nice workout in and a shower. Before heading down south, we ended up getting a storage unit for a couple of random things as well as our skis. We didn't know how long we were going to be down there, and we were just like, there's no point in bringing all this stuff with us. So we obviously only ended up going for around 5 weeks, so I think we probably got charged for 2 months. But whatever, it is what it is. We're going to pick up our stuff and then move on with our day. I'm really tired of being in the car. What in the world? Who has this many dryers? What are they doing?
Why are they all out?
And why are they all out? Getting some of our stuff out. Got our skis. What else do we have in here? I think we put like 2 boxes worth of random stuff that we just didn't need. Our skis kind of fit in here differently, and now that we have the platform, it literally went in so easy. They fit right across there, and then the tire's still up here, and it's perfect. Everything fits, so we're good, and it was really quick.
So I think it's about time to go get a shower. What do you think?
Yeah, I think it's time. We need a shower.
Go.
Oh, I feel so much better. What about you?
So much better. And now, let's go find somewhere to sleep.
What better place to spend our first night back in the States than Wally World?
We're stealth camping. We closed all the windows in the blackout shades. the stealth camp because there's a security guard going around. So we're just gonna work, and Walmart closes at 11. We're gonna hope we don't get knocked on. We've never gotten knocked on, and as long as we don't close our eyes and fall asleep, if we get a knock while we're working, we still have never gotten a knock.
What? We weren't staying?
Yeah, we're just working, dude. Come on. Oh, good morning, Walmart. No better feeling. So one thing that we miss so much is not having turkey bacon for breakfast. They had it in Mexico, but it was literally like $8 a pack, so $2.75. Such a good feeling. Being able to go to Trader Joe's, find everything you're used to eating, and everything you want to eat.
And groceries from Aldi's. Our two favorite stores right next to each other. So we got back from shopping and Grayson is getting out all the excess ice. Like what?
Excess, it's kind of only ice.
Like how does it even build up like that? Oh. Wow.
I think I might have just broken it. Exactly what I didn't want to do. Please ignore the dogs chewing all the ice. But while removing the ice, I had bent the door up and I had to hit the ice and hit the ice and hit the ice, but I ended up hitting this hinge. It's on both sides. And so you can see it's like kind of broken here, which is fine. But this one completely snapped off. So I actually put it back on with duct tape and it's super sturdy and it works for now. I really don't feel like buying another fridge because of a stupid door. I don't think you'd have to, but finding the part would probably be more of a hassle than it would be just getting a fridge. So whatever, it's fixed for like 5 cents.
The dogs are very happy about getting the ice. Our least favorite chore, laundry. Probably one of the biggest things we're gonna miss since being in Mexico and being back in the States is being able to just drop off our laundry and spend the same, if not less, to have your laundry done and folded for you. So we're gonna go in and do it ourselves. What are the odds we can fit all this stuff in one massive machine? Ah! It all fits in this room. I'm gonna make some yogurt bowls for lunch. The fruit bowls are done, so I put Greek yogurt mixed with stevia, and then on top, strawberries, blueberries, peanut butter granola, chia seeds, and honey.
This is like the first time it's actually been dried when we go pick it up.
First shot.
Literally, it's never been like that before, besides when they fold it for you in Baja. Whoa. Alright, so enjoy the flow. Just got a little showered. We've been working and cleaning and doing that kind of stuff all day. Sick and tired of the sand on the floor. Got that all cleaned up. And now Ashley has been begging for froyo. And guys, we don't usually eat like this, but for some reason there's like an appreciation for it when you don't have it. Yeah, there's ice cream, but froyo is a little bit different. So we're gonna get froyo with our cash back. We're not just blowing money. We have cash back from our credit card. But we love using credit cards, getting cash back and using it for treats and things of that sort. Or even dinners, whatever we wouldn't usually spend our own money on, even though it's spent, but we got it back, if you know what I'm saying. So it's like a 5-minute walk. We're gonna go do that.
It's kind of crazy how much this stuff costs, to be honest.
It was Asher's idea.
Good morning. So today, so far, we have gone to church and then we went to the dollar store. We were planning on just getting a spray bottle and then we got a bunch of other random stuff that we wanted to get. And I don't know, how weird is it that the dollar store went from $1 to $1.25? This is the first time we've been to the dollar store in like a very long time. And we noticed that everything literally was $1.25 except one thing we got, which was Tic Tacs. Very random. Yesterday when we were driving, we saw this place called Shields Date Garden and I ended up looking it up. It's a top tourist attraction here. So we drove past it and then today we decided let's come back and check it out. So we are here now in a very, very busy parking lot and we're gonna see what this date garden is all about. So there's a little shop inside where they sell the dates and date milkshakes and all that. And then you go outside and there's a restaurant that's actually packed. And behind that is the garden where the dates are and we're doing the little walk loop around it to see the garden. It's one of the lemons. citrus trees here. So we're pretty sure you're able to try these because there's trash cans everywhere and there's like people have left stuff on the floor. So we found this a grapefruit and it's huge. Let's try it. Look at the size of these lemons. They're huge. We just filled up diesel here in Southern California, and let's just say it costs way too much and we're missing the Mexico prices. But we do have an app that we use called Get Upside. This is not sponsored. It's just if you want to save some money, it saved us lots of money. So I'm going to show you what we cost and how much money we got back. So we just filled up 21 gallons and it was $1.40. With Get Upside, we were able to get 43 cents back on each gallon. So we will be getting back around 10 bucks just for using this app. I'm gonna link the code to Get Upside below so that you can save some money because we know it is super expensive to fill up, and you can also use it at some gas stations and some restaurants, so it'll save you money in a few different areas. And if you download the app using the link that I put below, you will be helping us out with getting a little bit extra cash back, and you will also get a little bit extra cash back than you would if you were to download the app without using our link. So help us help you and use the link below to save some money.